That's fine anticipation. That is magnificent.
I like that move from Sasha Zverev.
103 miles an hour. That's incredible. Through to the final for Alexander Zverev. It has been a masterclass.
That is a majestic performance. Yannick Sinner. He'll defend on Sunday.
Once you win a major, you know how to do it, and you feel like you can do it again.
I have my dreams, and I know that if I work very hard, that I can achieve these dreams.
Any which way I turn out, our lives burn dimmer.